The cat is protecting herself behind the soldier, and pushes it forwards. This guy was tired from these children ringing his doorbell and running away, so he wanted to give them a surprise.
Come here! Come here!
Harvey, what's that?
This person found a very super blue butterfly in the Amazon rainforest. This person has a pet squirrel, which loves a good massage. This is the aerial shot of the forest during the winter. This is how the drone we in future, and how fast a professional drone can move.
Go get it!
Have you ever seen a giant writable paper bone?
Potje van papier.
This is the end of video. I hope I make your day bitter good. Hit the like button, describe your emotions in the comment box. And what next video you would like to watch. Tell us in the comment box. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.